Ever wondered how 8 firms can manage vast volumes of data efficiently? Well, our focus today is on a solution that addresses this challenge. We dive into the world of Blackcoffer, a company that has been making waves in data management over the past 12 years. Blackcoffer provides an ingenious solution, an automation software designed to streamline data management. This software is capable of downloading data from various sources, transforming it for better utility, and then loading the transformed data into the target infrastructure, all in an automated manner. This software is the result of expert minds working behind the scenes, using Python 3 to create a tool that simplifies the data management process. The software is designed to run on a Linux server, with data being downloaded from 3 sources, namely DBpedia, Yago, and Gdelt. DBpedia and Yago provide data in RDF format, while Gdelt offers data in CSV format and refreshes every 15 minutes. But what makes this software truly stand out is its integration with the Neo4j graph database. The software uploads the downloaded data into this database, creating a pipeline that ensures a steady flow of data from source to target. This not only makes the process efficient but also allows for easier visualization through tools like Kibana, Elasticsearch. In essence, Blackcoffer's solution offers a comprehensive package for efficient data management. It's an automated system that downloads, transforms, and uploads data into the Neo4j graph database. It uses Python 3 to create a reliable tool capable of handling data from various sources and formats, and integrates with powerful visualization tools. This solution, developed by the Blackcoffer team, is a remarkable illustration of how technology can simplify complex processes, improve efficiency, and ultimately drive the success of IT firms. So, the next time you think about data management, remember Blackcoffer and their game-changing automation software. They've truly transformed the landscape of data management in IT, making it easier, more efficient, and highly effective. That's it for today, folks. Until the next time, keep exploring the wonders of technology, and remember, efficient data management is just a software away.